So it's everybody's dream to just start a YouTube channel and then try to make money off it. So this is something a lot of people do go through when they start a YouTube channel. They feel like it's very hard for them to just get 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours, and they think maybe they cannot just make money off their YouTube channel, and they find it very difficult to keep up doing stuff on their YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you step by step on how you're going to be able to sign up, be part of Amazon affiliates, and then make money whilst you start your YouTube channel before you even get approved in the YouTube partner program. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them, and then stick around, watch throughout to the end so that you don't miss anything. Without further ado, let's dive into the video and then see whatever we have right here. So first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to open our browser and then we type in Amazon. You don't type in amazon.com, you type in Amazon affiliate. So Amazon. If you type in amazon.com, they're going to take you to their website where people would go and then shop for stuff. But we want to be an affiliate to them where we are going to make money off whatever people do buy from their website. So what we are going to do is we go to the sign up page and then of this Amazon Associates, which I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you guys will sign up with it with ease. And then you see right here, you see sign in right here, and we're going to go down and then click on create an account because we want to start everything at first. So what we're going to do is you type in your real name right here. So the next thing you're going to do is you type in your email you want to use, and then you move to your password, which I don't think I'm going to use this clumsy one. I want to use a password which I'm going to remember every time. That is what you have to do too. And then you move on to the next step. I already have an account for Amazon and I'm creating this account purposely for this video. So I think we are almost through and we are going to get a notification, right? So we have to go to our email and then we verify with the OTP we are going to get. So I'm going to go to my email straightforward and then I check if I've gotten an email, which you guys should do the same. So I'm going to go to inbox, and if you don't find it in the inbox, you check your spams too, because most often messages do go to spams before maybe getting to the inbox. So I have to refresh this page and see if I'm going to get an email. So it's in our inbox, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code right here and then take it to the browser I'm using, which is Safari. And I just insert it right there and I click on create to just continue. So you do the same. You can just copy or memorize whatever digits you are giving right there, and then you continue the sign up right there. So the next thing you're going to do is you put in your necessary information right here, and then you choose your countries and address and all. So I'm going to do it right away. So what I'm going to do is Derek, my name, the name you are going to use, that is who they are going to pay whatever revenue or whatever income you make on the website. The name you think they should pay the money to, that is what you have to put there, and then you put in your address right there. So you do the same thing, right? Yeah, good to go. So I'm going to choose my code, that is I'm going to use 00233. You guys should use the same thing. If you're in Ghana, you can choose 00233, and if you're not, so I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to choose Greater Accra. That is where I live. So I'm going to put in my phone number, which you guys should do same too, so that you get a notification anytime you are being paid or anytime there is a suggestion they want to share with you or something. You put in the necessary information so that you don't miss anything. So I'm going to put in my phone number and I hit on next. So this is all. So you can put in your website or your mobile app you want to use or whatever you feel like you want to use. So if it's your YouTube channel you're going to use, you just put in your YouTube channel URL so that they know whatever you want to promote. You just let them know you're going to promote on your YouTube channel, so that you put a URL there and you're good to go, because not everyone has a website or something. So I'm just going to do this very, very easily by copying my YouTube channel's URL and then pasting it right there. So you guys should do the same, because I think most of you signing up to this website have a YouTube channel. And yeah, okay, so I'm gonna copy the URL like this and then come to the Safari and paste it right there, so they will know I'm gonna be using my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm gonna click on next, and yes, definitely we are not going to read everything. I know a lot of you wouldn't read. Okay, so then you confirm, and then what name you prefer in using your shop. So I'm going to use Bits Shop. So what are your website or mobile app about? So it's about YouTube tips, tech videos, make money online. So whatever your YouTube channel is about, you just do the same, and then you put in some necessary stuffs right here. Stuffs you want to promote is what you have to put in the next section right here. Okay, so you take some parts, you can take a lot of them, most of them, so that you get a lot of options in order to just share to people and then make some more money. Because when you take a few of them, you're not going to make more money. Like, you're not going to get suggestions, and then you pick content and niche, and then you go. So just pick social networks and then rest. So the next thing you're going to use is how do you utilize your website and app to generate income. So other affiliate programs, just something they want to know everything, but you just choose other, and then you move, and you put in other right here too. So how many visitors you get, and then you just tell them something very sweet. So you put in from 5,000 a month to 50,000, and then what is your primary reason for joining, and then to just monetize my sites, and you get it. So just let them know whatever you want to know. And then blog post, and then online, how did you hear about that? Online search. So what you're going to do next is you put in this capture right here. I just want to do this very, very short and sharp so that the video wouldn't be too long for us. So you put in this capture right here, and then the next thing you're going to do is you agree, which none of you right here watching this willing to read, because I'm not going to read it too. You guys are not going to read. Okay, so just put 099. Okay, so let me type in the capture again, AAEEPB, and then we hit on it. So we are done. So if you are in the United States, you will have to confirm your tax information and all, but in my country, I don't know if you are going to take my 10 or something, so I think I'm going to do that later. But in my previous sign up or previous account I created, they didn't take anything like tax information or something, so I'm just going to hit on later, and then my page is going to open. And that is all you need to know about how to just create or sign up for Amazon Associates. And if you have any problems or you find any difficulties, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to assist you. So you're going to be like, how you're going to generate or how you're going to create links for whatever product you want to put in your description when you just create a video or when you want to just share to people. So you see, I'm putting my cursor right here on this device right here, and then they are telling me to get link. You can click on get link, and then they're going to take you to a page where you're going to get a links, and then you just put it right there in your description, and you're just going to be able to just tell people to just buy. So you see it is right here. You're going to click on highlight HTML, which you're going to see all these, but this is not really necessary. So you can put right here and then click on text only, and then you come here to standard URL. We don't like that one too. You click on short URL, and then you are going to be able to just copy this one and then put it in the description of your YouTube channel, and then people are going to click on it and then come to this website and then purchase it. But even, you know, one thing I like about Amazon Associates is even if the person doesn't purchase the stuff you shared to them or you suggested to them directly, and then they purchase something differently, you're still going to get a revenue, or you're still going to get your cut from whatever they purchase, provided they hit on your link and then came to the website. You're going to get paid for doing that. So I think this is something every YouTuber or everyone who is starting a YouTube channel should just capitalize on, base on, and then try to make money, extra income on whatever they do. Because starting a YouTube channel is very hard to just generate income, and you're going to be like, you're starting a YouTube channel, you are creating videos, but you're not getting paid and all, and you might just sit back and then be like, you're not getting paid, so you're stopping whatever you are doing. No, you don't need to stop. You just need to move on, press hard, and then deal with more affiliate programs, and then it's going to help you. So you can just share a lot of things. You know, there are a lot of promotions right here. You hit on home, you can search anything you feel like people are going to like. You know, right now the iPhone 12 is in, so you can type in iPhone 12 cases, right? And then you're just gonna share that one to people. You put those in your description, and then people are just gonna come to you. You see, so iPhone 12 cases, you get the links and then you paste them in your description, and people are gonna come at you and they're gonna buy them from you. So I think this is something a lot of you should just capitalize on. If you're starting a YouTube channel, you can just do this, capitalize on it, and then put them in the description, and people are going to buy it, and then you make some money, and yeah, you are good to go. So you can make money before you be part of the YouTube partner program, and it's going to help you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them, and then catch you in the next one.